Hi guys, it's Friday and today was the end of the school term. So my boy is sleeping out tonight with his cousin and my daughter is sleeping out at her grandma. So we are going out for a little date night with my brother and his wife, and maybe I'll take you along on that. We are back from date night and we are going to watch Love Island now till we fall asleep in front of the TV. Good morning everyone, it's Saturday today. I've already washed and had a cup of tea. So I left you off last night when I was telling you that we were going out with my brother and his wife, and I think we got home at around 9 or 10, I'm not sure. And then my husband and myself just watched some junk TV, some reality TV. We watched Love Island and then we went to bed. So it's 10 to 11 now and the kids are still out. I don't know, I've asked my mom if I must go fetch my girl and my boy. I also haven't heard anything of their outing so far. So I'm just gonna go out in the garden now and see if I can deadhead some roses. Winter hasn't even started properly yet and my banksia has one flower. Let me show you. Look at this little cutie. Don't see any other ones, but there shouldn't be. Like I said, winter has not even started yet. These roses on the wall, or these climbing roses, have been inspired by, let me try and get a nice angle for you, Velvet and Linen of Patina Farm. I'll link their Instagram down below. So yes, in spring this is full of white little flowers like the one I showed you just now. Plan for today is I must probably go get my kids and then I'm going to get ready, and then my husband and myself, we are meeting my pageant bestie and her husband, and then the four of us, we are going for a little gin tasting in Langebaan. So I'll take you with when we do that. Okay, so there you can see the climbing roses from afar. So I quickly made myself a brekkie. I am going to have some French toast. Hubby made himself a smoothie, so I'm having brekkie alone, but maybe I should keep a slice for him. And then I must go get ready for my little visit with my friend. Righty? Do you want some French toast? Okay. Now I'm gonna go put some makeup on quickly, and then I'm gonna get dressed, and then we should get going for our outing. Okay, eyes done. So lippy, and should I add something to the cheeks? What do you think? And then this hair. What are we going to do with this? Let's go get some product, and then I think we can keep the just look at what my lashes did now. So I have to clean that up, and then yeah, let's fix the hair and get the lippy. Just going to wet my little bit, then add some product. What do you think, a ponytail or a bun? I'm leaning towards a bun, but the sleek ponytail looks quite nice now. Let's go with a bun. We can still turn it into... Let's go with a ponytail. We can still turn it into a bun if needed. Okay, that looks nice. Then obviously I must clean up the mascara at the top there. And then I'll just use my usual little trick with the lip shading. I think I must do a little bit of a wing as well. Let me go get an eyeliner. It's almost time to go, so I don't have any time to waste. Is this the best mascara combination ever? What do you think? Okay, then my usual Tarte double take eyeliner. So now I just need to add the lip color, and then let's get dressed. Keeping it simple, I'm gonna do tights. Remember last year, all the get readies with me, I featured these tights quite a few times. So the love affair continues. Plain white tee. Then I'm gonna pair it with navy blue sweater, jersey, and then my navy blue coat, and I'm going to wear some over the knee boots. So like this, then go get the boots. Change of plans. I think my battery might be going. The jersey felt too tight under the coat, so I'm changing it up. Going to wear this jersey with this coat. Then I'm still going to do the over the knee boots. So that's it. What do you think? Abby and I are in the car. We're a little bit late now, but we're on our way. I'm excited to see my friend. And obviously the day that we are a little bit late, there's a funeral. So the road is blocked off. And now we have to wait for them to pass before we can go.
So if you need anything, just call him. Okay, so before we get down to business, and that is to taste, When we finish, you'll feel like you've been drinking. It's a tasting, it's a tasting, not a drinking. But don't worry, I've got you. Those stairs, don't fear them. Okay? I've got your back. I go down first, you hold onto my shoulders. It's not a problem. Or if you're the adventurous type, we have a lot of boxes, we can open them up and you can slide down. But there's a catch with that one. I want to be able to post them on Facebook. So, we've got 3 choices. Okay, so before, as I said before we start, I'm going to tell you how West Coast Distillers was born. We have 2 friends, Shane and Sean. I had a tasting at 12 o'clock. I didn't drink with them, so if I get tongue-tied, it's because it's Shane and Sean. So close together, like that whole seashell, little seashore. Okay. Lifelong friends, grew up together, studied together. One's a sailor, one is a distiller. So what do they know how to do? And that is drink. They decided they're going on a working holiday to Croatia, and on the plane they had a few gins. And as we all do, once we've had a few, we come up with brilliant ideas. Some of them brilliant, some of them not, but hey, they're ideas. They decided that they're going to open up a business together, and that is going to be making tequila here in Lava. They're going to be the first 2 dudes to make tequila. Woke up the next morning with a hangover, because with handcrafted gin, you don't get hangovers. I know, I'm proof of that, I guarantee you. But when you have, I'm not going to call it cheap gin because that's just bad knowledge. When you've got the cheaper gin, you will wake up with a hangover. So they woke up with a hangover, but they did a little bit of research and they realized they can't make tequila here in South Africa back in 2016, 17. You can only make the fake stuff. And where you don't fake, you go genuine, all out, or nothing. So Shane decided he's not going to leave it at that. He wants to investigate a little bit more. Just starts out. That's why when you pour your gin, always pour your gin first, then your ice. Now let's add the tonic. If you want to know around about how much, probably about this much. If you are a whiskey brandy drinker, it will be about how much. Okay, so now we've dressed it up. It looks all pretty. Go for your pictures, please. If you're a photographer, fantastic. And now you can taste. And it tastes great. Keep it in the fridge and dry. So enjoy it.
Ik was in de picture niet. Kom staan hier achter.
Maar het is een video, is niet
Voor mij dat.
Okay, so while I see these 2 ladies smelling the bitters,
I saw you yesterday when we went to West Coast Distillers at the tasting, and we had a lovely time with our friends Dawn and her husband. And today was Father's Day in South Africa. I made my hubby breakfast in bed. Then we did a little bit of shopping, and the rest of the day we relaxed. We visited with my mom, we visited with family, and we are off to the TV room now, and we're gonna watch some Love Island. See you again next time.